Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a character AI account. First, open any preferred browser on your PC and type character.ai in the search bar. Press enter and you will be taken to the Character AI homepage. Next, you will see a pop-up asking you to sign in or create a new account. You have the option to sign up using your email address or by using one of the platforms listed at the top. For this tutorial, I will be using my Google account to create a new account. Click on the Google icon, select the target Google account you want to use, and wait for it to load. You will then be prompted to enter your birthday. After entering your birthday, click on Create Account. And that's it. You have successfully created a Character AI account. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.